Welcome to Beauty of the World.
All right, one of our stops here on the Icefields Parkway is Bow Summit. We're going to walk down all the way down to the lake and check out what's down there. We got Princess with us today, and there's Kim and my sister Deb. Again, back in Banff Park in Alberta, Canada. Let's go for a walk. Very nice day. 1st of September 2019. As you can see, we're wearing shorts. Elevation about 6,900 feet, somewhere around there. Okay, we've reached Bow Summit and we're overlooking Peyto Lake, named after one of the first explorers up here. Just beautiful. I hope the camera picks it up, but I doubt it. You gotta see Banff, Jasper National Parks. This is Waterfowl Lake, right down from Bow Summit and Peyto Lake. You can tell the watercolor here has what they call the flour in it, all the ground up stone washed into it. Just beautiful. And glaciers up there. All right, we're having a good time today. Banff National Park up here in Alberta, Canada. And Kim just said, you know, we're walking down this path, going to go down and see a canyon down here. She says, sometimes you just got to turn around and take a look at where you came from. Isn't that something? Just always look behind before you go forward.
It's beautiful.
Some days here. All right, the Mistaya River. You can go ahead and pause and read this because we're fixing to walk down and check it out. And I'm sorry I forgot my stabilizer today. We're gonna walk down here, so hold on. Kim's got Princess down there.
This is cool.
Kim says it's cool.
Look out. You go down that side.
So there you go. That's how it cuts all that out. Water at work.
Isn't that beautiful?
And then it comes out the other end. Way down there. And disappears. Are we having fun yet? I'm not getting any closer. The glacier's up above. That was a glacier, probably yesterday or this morning.